Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which platform holds your Dead by Daylight ID and ensuring you can sign in. Once signed out of the game, sign into the platform account, Steam, Epic, PlayStation, or Xbox, because the change often starts there. Make sure your email and password are correct and two-factor authentication is accessible. This avoids lockouts. Now open the account settings or Behavior Account portal and navigate to Profile or Display Name. This is where the first editable field appears, so you now edit the display name directly in your account profile. Click the display name or username box, type the new handle, and obey the platform's character limits and restrictions. Spaces, special characters, or profanity may be blocked. Once you enter the name, press Save or Confirm. Some platforms require immediate verification. If prompted, check your email or approve a 2FA prompt so the platform commits the change. After confirmation, give services a minute to propagate the new name across Dead by Daylight servers. Finally, relaunch Dead by Daylight and confirm your new name displays in lobbies and profile. If the change doesn't show, make sure the game is fully closed and clear platform or game cache. Then sign out and sign back in, or unlink and relink your platform account in Behavior Settings. If propagation still fails after an hour, gather your account ID and recent emails. Then contact Behavior Support for assistance. Explain steps you've taken so they can escalate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.